Okay, so for real, I'm sitting in the studio and on Zoom with Kate. What was it you said just now, Kate? Just repeat it for the good people.
I said it's really annoying that my current hub only has one USB-C port.
Right, and I said, well, it's just as well that the new one we're making has a total of 6 USB-C ports, to which you said...
6? I didn't know it was going to be that many.
So here's what it is. You get one to bring power in, you get another one to take lots of power in, lots of power out again with data, so you can plug that into your laptop or whatever, leaving another 4 for plugging in your mice and your keyboards and your microphones and your cameras and your I don't know what. Lots of power for a total of
6?
USB-C ports. I'm Seymour Sagnet, founder at MAGFAST. There in the distance is Kate Kennard. And together we're launching these fabulous new products. Please like and subscribe. We'll keep you up to date. And you could be first in line to get these simply fabulous new products with some very special launch offers.